In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut no internet connection error. So the first thing you may want to check is your connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or data is actually on. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the network. Also try switching between Wi-Fi and data and see if the problem has been solved. The next thing you may want to do is try restarting CapCut. Make sure that you close the CapCut app completely and not just minimize it. Then next is try opening up the app once again and see if it's finally working. Many times, this alone clears the connection glitch. Another fix is by trying to restart your router completely. Try turning your Wi Fi or modem for 10 seconds and try turning it back on and see if the internet connection is now stable for CapCut to use. Another fix is by allowing CapCut through Windows Firewall. And to do that, head over to Start menu and search for Firewall and Network Protection. Click on it. Now from here, click on Allow an app through Firewall. So here, simply find CapCut and make sure that you tick the box beside it. Once done, press the OK button. Lastly, you can try removing CapCut or uninstalling it from your PC and try installing it once again. So in the Start menu, simply type in Add or Remove Programs and click on it. And now from the installed apps, simply look for CapCut. Then next is click on the three dot icon beside it and click on Uninstall. Once the app is uninstalled, go to CapCut's official website and download the app once again. Fresh installs fix 90% of network errors. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!